Honeydew melon is a delicious and hydrating fruit that offers a variety of health benefits. Here are 9 notable ones. 1. Rich in nutrients, honeydew melon is packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, potassium, and B vitamins like folate. 2. Hydration, composed of about 90% water, honeydew melon is excellent for staying hydrated, especially in hot weather. 3. Supports heart health. The potassium in honeydew helps regulate blood pressure by balancing sodium levels in the body, which can reduce the risk of heart disease. 4. Promotes healthy skin. The high vitamin C content in honeydew melon supports collagen production, which is essential for healthy, glowing skin. 5. Aids digestion. Honeydew melon contains dietary fiber, which can help regulate digestion and prevent constipation. 6. Boosts immunity. Vitamin C in honeydew melon also plays a key role in boosting the immune system, helping the body fight off infections. 7. Supports eye health. Honeydew melon contains lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that are beneficial for eye health and may help reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. 8. Low in calories. With its low calorie content, honeydew melon is a great snack for those looking to maintain or lose weight while still enjoying a sweet treat. 9. Promotes bone health. The vitamin K and calcium in honeydew melon contribute to stronger bones and may help reduce the risk of osteoporosis.